the tutorial on how to change columns becomes rows with using paste transpose. So on this occasion, I will explain about the Excel tutorial how to change columns to become rows by using paste transpose. Okay, so you can change column to become rows or rows to become columns. So it will make you easier on your job without creating manually, because it will take too much time when you can type one by one to change the column to be rows tables. And Excel provides you to change about column to be row table by using paste transpose. Okay, I have some data here. Item sold, price, total revenue, 1 January until 5 January. Okay, the way to make it, you can see on your screen here. Block all the data and then transpose, and then you need to determine how. Copy here and then paste. Okay, block the table that you want to go to change, and then copy, and then you need to go to the cell that you want to put the table, and then paste special, and then transpose. Okay, that's the tutorial how to change the column table into the rows table by using paste transpose, searched by Microsoft Excel. Hopefully this might be useful. See you in the next video. Okay, good luck for trying. Bye bye.